Hi, my name is Keith Van Duzen. I'm a technical sales representative for Croysler Chemicals. For over 100 years, Croysler has been on the leading edge of chemical technology in dry cleaning, laundry, and in wet cleaning. In 2011, Croysler introduced a revolutionary new dry cleaning solution, solvon K4. Solvon K4 has excellent cleaning power, yet it's very gentle on fabrics. Clothes that are cleaned in solvon K4 have a very soft, pleasant feel. Whites are brilliant and colors are vivid. In addition, solvon K4 requires less energy for the processing, so it's very good for the environment in that way. It's a very good cleaner. It's good to your garments, it's good to your clothes, it's good to the environment, and it's good for you.